Hello, Qi. Qi is an ancient Chinese term that means energy force. For many of you, in building your business and your branding and your marketing and the systems that you want to create and the components of everything that you're building right now, from your email campaigns to the marketing campaigns to the posts that you make to the videos that you create, many of you haven't even created any of this because it's probably overwhelming for you. I want to share with you how to create simplicity in your marketing, to have more ease and energy with how you're showing up in your business, so that you're being more you in your marketing. And when you do sit down and you turn the lights and camera on, you just connect. You connect with your audience, you connect with their needs, you connect not from your headspace, but from the perspective of where your audience needs you to be, so that you're showing up and being consistent in how you are branding yourself. I'm Robyn Linn, and Mike Klingler and I together have created a system to help those of you, in a simple way, use the internet to expand your reach, increase your revenue, and make a bigger difference. If you want to learn more about this movement to raise consciousness in humanity and the vibration in business, then meet us over at helloqi.com. and I'll share more with you there. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, Robyn Linn, and I'll be sharing more below with you about how to tap into a meaningful business and brand. I'll share with you some inspiring stories and share with you the history of how this movement has been brought forward and how you can start to carry the torch to not only increase the revenue that you have and improve the bottom line, but to truly make a bigger difference because of what you've contributed. I'm Robyn Linn, being you in business, and I'll meet you over at Hello Qi. Enjoy the videos below, and I look forward to hearing from you to help you create your meaningful and profitable brand.